Have you ever looked at your subscriber count and thought, wow, I'm growing so fast, only to realize that your videos barely get any views or watch time? If that sounds familiar, you might be dealing with fake subscribers. This is a hidden issue that's stalling your growth, which is getting subscribers who don't watch your videos from start to finish. Having fake subscribers might seem harmless at first, but in reality, they are dragging your channel down. Now, let's see the consequences of fake subscribers. 1. Lower engagement rate. YouTube loves engagement, such as likes, comments, shares, and most importantly, watch time. Fake subscribers don't engage, and when your content doesn't get engagement, YouTube won't push it to new audience. Imagine having 10,000 subscribers but only 100 views in your latest video. YouTube sees this as lack of interest and stops recommending your videos. This tanks your channel's performance and makes it nearly impossible to reach new and real viewers. Watch time and algorithm impact. YouTube prioritizes videos that keeps viewers engaged. If your videos aren't watched from start to finish, the algorithm assumes they aren't interested enough. Even if you have a large number of subscribers, low watch time tells YouTube your content isn't valuable, which will push your videos down in search results and suggestions. False growth and misleading metrics. When you focus on subscriber counts instead of quality engagement, you're setting yourself for false growth. The number looks impressive, but it's misleading. Brands and potential collaborators often look at your engagement, not just your subscriber count. Low engagement rates makes you less attractive for partnerships. You could miss out on brand deals and sponsorships that rely on authentic engagement over inflated numbers. Here is how to stop fake subscribers and focus on real growth. Stop subs for subs. Stop buying subscribers. It might be tempting to use sub for sub groups or even pay for subscribers. I don't know if you've seen such groups on Facebook, but this is one of the fastest ways of damaging your account. So if you want to damage your account, just buy subscribers. These subscribers don't care about your channel and will never engage with it. I mean, never. Leaving your channel with high numbers and no interaction. Focus on organic growth strategies instead. It's slower, but the benefits are long-term. The second thing is create content for your target audience. One of the best ways to attract real engaged subscribers is by creating content that speaks directly to your target audience. If your channel is about minimalism, don't create random content about gaming or beauty except it aligns with your brand. Keep your message clear. When your content is consistent and targeted, you will attract people who actually care about what you're sharing, resulting in higher watch time and better engagement. Focus on high quality over quantity. It's better to have 1,000 highly engaged subscribers than 10,000 who never watch your videos. Prioritize making high quality videos that people want to watch all the way through, even if it means posting less frequently. I post every day, but it doesn't mean you should post every day if you're not able to do that. If you think it won't weigh you down, post as frequently as you can. Be consistent. When people love your content, they will share it naturally, leading to organic growth and real engagement. Engage with your audience. Real subscribers want to feel connected with you. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and even consider Q&A sessions. Engagement builds community, and when your audience feels heard, they are more likely to stay and watch more of your content. A simple shout out to a fan or responding to a comment can make all the difference in keeping real subscribers engaged. If you're already having fake subscribers, let's dive into how to fix this problem. There is no problem without a solution. First, audit your subscriber base. Take a hard look at your subscribers. If you notice any sudden spike in numbers without a matching increase in views, You might have fake subscribers. You're going to get into your YouTube analytics and find which videos your subscribers are actually watching. Remove or report any suspicious account to clean up your channel. Re-engage your subscribers. If you have inactive subscribers, try to re-engage them by creating a video that directly addresses them. Make a video thanking them for their support and ask them which type of content they would like to see in future. This might help bring back viewers who might have lost interest in your channel. Focus on content that increases watch time. Pay close attention to what keeps viewers watching and then create more of such content. Adjust your style or pacing to keep them hooked. So fake subscribers might give you short-term satisfaction, but in the long run they are sabotaging your growth, from low engagement rates to damaging your standing with YouTube algorithm. The consequences are real, so take this seriously. Focus on building a community of real subscribers who value your content. Don't get caught up in a vanity metric. True success comes from authentic growth. Remember, it's not about how many people subscribe to your channel, but how many people stick around and engage with your content.